Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry I've been taking so long. I just did not find the time to play anything at all. I didn't have the time to record anything. Today we're going to be playing Flood Escape. So let's just get straight into this. Oh, multiplayer. I love multiplayer. The game has ended. Let's see how well we can do. Ooh. What's that? Okay, that's a good noise. Okay, I'm guessing we need to escape the Pacific. Let's all do what it says! Okay, I think we made it. Well, let's go. Maintenance. You know I don't play! I think we're almost full. Round beginning. Start out with a couple, we ended out with 4. And then there's that one guy who holds it off until the very end. You're gonna be hearing that for quite a while. It's taunting. Apparently dying is taunting. Nigga, you know I ain't play. Someone hit that, someone did hit that. They're down. Bye, you little dude! It closed on him. This is it. Go over there! I will do a lot of things. But if it includes... No! He can't make it in time! No! I let him down! The one thing that I hate is letting people down. escape the facility. That's gonna happen again. No entry. It's a band. Yeah, I really. Oh gosh! Maintenance. You know I ain't play. I think this is the one where. Over here. Just in time. No! No! Why me? Why me? Oh, let's just get in here. I wonder what's hard about this. You still got room for a couple more? Alright. Where do I go? I know this nigga ain't. Aww. Jeez, I really wanted Twin. Let's just see how well I do in epic minigames. Also, while this is loading in, we'll just watch this. Eminem.
It's hot today. All of your most popular.
Coming right up.
What flavor is that?
It's the cherry lime.
Oh, no! No! One sec. I need this drink.
Wow, that's talented. Huh.
Have you not seen my,
You know he must be smiling. You know he must be smiling. 'Cause there ain't no one like me. Oh man, the gal with the did she make it? Two. Oh, and she's on fire. Oh. Guys, I've always dreamed of having a skunk in my life for years. I'm also gonna make it snow. I am God, and I can make it snow. I am God. I can make it snow. No one can stop me. Winter forever!
Will you be my friend?
Don't need my
I
coffee.
love spending time with you.
Oh yeah, I'm Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Walking around like a Christmas tree, thinking about everything that I did wrong. Oh, I can totally dodge everything. Yeah! I think I jinxed it. Anyone else agree with me? As half of everyone else says yes. Please go away. I have a bad case of disease. I will avenge Harry Poole. I will avenge Harry Potter. Oh! You ready to die? He hold me. Ah! We can do this! As long as I don't fall asleep! Ah! I'm gonna fall asleep. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! To celebrate our victory, we are going to make it snow. Now Starbucks. French cuisine. You need to die! If anyone's going to die, it's going to be you. Well, you only give us a minute. I mean, it's better all to fight the death, like only a minute. I mean, in Naruto, they take their time, but this they say, screw it. Shark attack! It's Jaws! Jaws the Cosmos. It's the flat screen TV! Everyone look at the flat screen TV. Everyone get out of my way. I'm going to survive. And I'm going to be Jack Sparrow. Erotic fan fiction. No matter what, I must look back. Ah! Iruka Sensei! Sensei! You never said giant starts with Jesus! Iruka Sensei! Iruka Sensei! There's a troll! Piggy, don't go near him. Piggy, come with me. We're gonna get away from the bad troll. Bombs away, everybody! Bombs away! And now time. It can either be me, a cheap ass, or him, a smart ass. I lost an arm, Daddy! Help! Now I'm convinced he must be smurfing. I lost both of my arms, Daddy. Daddy, are you okay? It's Baby Lover we need to trust. Wait. Baby Royal! Baby Royal. It's baby! I can't drink this. How am I supposed to fight? Yay is brave! Fudge! Kill me! Yay, they walk in a plank. Oh! No! Yay! I finally got rid of it. And that actually was a good one, but I didn't have my arms. A life without arms is a life I'm not going to live. How you doing? Piggy, stay away from the lion. The crusher. Yeah, I'm really good at this. Don't touch the Pokemon! Don't touch the lion! Don't touch it! I'm a girly pony. There's like a ginger little girl pony. Pony! 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 Annie! Annie! Okay. 37 hits! What do you want from me? The sweeper of doom, the sweeper of heaven, the sweeper of sweeps. I'm gonna end this video here, guys. See you guys in the next video.